What's up? What's up? I think it's the 16th session. It's Monday, the 27th of May. Uh, yeah, we had a great weekend um, where I didn't trade anything. I did, however, start the 6th idle high setup because yesterday Bitcoin started dumping, and it was a great moment to get into the market without having too much correlation to the other APIs. Now, as you can see, they still started correlating, and that's because the system just tries to sell, buy and sell, buy and sell, and eventually everything will run in sync with each other and be correlated. Yeah, it's kind of like the law of, it has a name. I'm sorry, I haven't studied that much, but there's like this law that everything eventually goes in sync with each other. Probably some smart people who know what I mean. I don't consider myself smart, by the way. Let's see. So I kind of do not like the weekly, and I also shared it with the VIP group of Pino API. So all advanced users are in the VIP group. I shared this weekend that I'm looking at a pretty bearish structure on the SPX. Overall, the Dixie has to support this, but I think there's a good opportunity that the Dixie will make a lower high. I mean a higher low, sorry. Once again, I just had breakfast and I'm still kind of slow. But yeah, I think the weekly is looking like garbage. Yeah, this kind of looks good, but I think it will move more downwards towards this level maybe. So on the lower short time frame, I expect Bitcoin to go lower. Yeah, let's have a look at our little Bitcoin. Wrong chart, by the way. Yeah, as you can see, and this is kind of crazy because we actually made the lower high exactly as I plotted. Well, we didn't touch the horizontal trend line, but it looks kind of similar. So right now I'm looking at yeah, around 64 as a next level of horizontal support. Yeah, overall I don't think it's looking good. Like, if you see this, you see this, next will probably be here, and then we'll sweep this and probably go towards the all-time high range. Again, like this might just range, which will be the best outcome for bulls, but I think we're just gonna spike down this week. Yeah, so let's adjust our profits because we made a little profit this weekend with the with the idle high setups. 64. Yeah, kind of self-explanatory. I'm gonna look for shorts. Now, shorts are pretty risky, especially with more liquidity. But I have to really adjust myself to if the market is showing me it's going down. If all the indicators I have tell me, okay, we're at weakness, we're having weakness, I just have to accept and go short. Holy fuck, let's switch the music because this is driving me incredibly crazy. Is this better? Ah, fuck this shit. Let's do some synth. Kind of like synth music. Yeah, that's better. So yeah, the plan is to just find shorts and short into short-term strength, like right now. Let's do this in the right chart, by the way. Like yield guild is just too strong for me. I'm not looking to short this, but spell might be. And then there's always the volume thing. Like spell, it doesn't even have 15k, so just to run a almost 10k API on it, it's not a good idea. So yeah, I think the instruments we could trade is a little bit more limited. Yeah, for me, I really struggle adjusting my mindset to downside. It just goes against all my principles. Like right now, I can tell the Dixie is showing weakness. So why the fuck would I short? But the SPX is not looking pretty either. So then you could reverse engineer your brain and tell, okay, this is a dip that people are going to buy. Instead of thinking, okay, it's probably going lower. Yeah, let's just look for some crazy opportunities. What's the turnover from OGN? Okay, damn, what the fuck? Let's first just look at volume. So shitcoins are going again. This is fascinating. Funding is even negative. Oh wow, okay, this is looking good. So the thing with Near is, once Near enters distribution, a lot of people will lose their money. I've been in this position and I was like, yeah, it should like pump here, it should. Okay, let's just say. Let's just kind of say we're gonna break here. There's a lot of, I think there's a big opportunity. We're going to the 4 hour 200, but we could just trigger a massive dump to take out all these lows, which is like massive is really massive on there, but still it's just 30%, and you could just consider this a range. Oh, I fucking hate shorting. I fucking hate shorting. Okay, yeah, this would be a. Hold up, I need to do this like this, yeah. I think this is all right. What am I getting at? It might be better to just take it right here. Yeah. So yeah, yeah, there's a lot of potential downsides for Near. Now let's look at the argument of resistance, because you kind of want, like, if you reverse the chart, Alt plus Y plus E, you kind of want to see a lot of support, basically. If you reverse your mind. Look, right now it's very likely we're gonna head towards this level. But then we could get a reaction back to the, in this case, the lows, which are the highs. I hope you're still following. There's just one level, so yeah, I think it's kind of tricky because there's not a lot of volatility in Near, and people are still like going apeshit crazy buying dips on Near because it's supposed to be a good project. So what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna tag it Biggie Pink, and I'm just gonna monitor it until maybe a US Open and see what it does. Did we inverse the chart already? Yeah, okay, we did. Seek is looking good. Yeah, I kind of want to find something that has a lot of resistance higher. What's the volume of TRX? Okay, what the fuck? Like preferably underneath the, underneath the... Also, the challenge account has been running on LDO, which has been doing fine. We made, yeah, this is 1%, right? Yeah, we made 1% on LDO. And yeah, we've just been stuck with Gala, so. Yeah, let's create a. What the actual fuck? Okay, let's check Floki. Floki actually has decent volume. But why in the hell would I... Holy shit, it's big, man. Who's holding Floki? Anonymous Deaf. Okay, yeah, let's fuck. Let's. I think we're seeing a lot of strength. I think I might want to roll the dice on this one and have one weight on Floki. Why not? So how big is this move? Jasmine. Jasmine kinda looks good as well. In my opinion, we're just gonna trade it with risk reward. Yeah, I'm kind of staying away from other meme coin thingies. Yeah, double, triple top, ends. Nice volume as well. So the Floki will just keep at one weight because I don't trust it. Ends is looking to, yeah, it could be a little bit heavier. So right now I'm just looking at lower time frame structures on the 1 hour to kind of know where price might head. It's still a coin toss. Yeah, like Pepe, this is showing incredibly strong. Like I would not ever short something like this. Yeah, okay, we could sweep it, but it's just slowly grinding up, absorbing all the shorts. But it's really dangerous stuff. What the fuck is this? Does it have volume? Okay, it's new. Never mind. Okay, 3. How much is this? Yeah, let's put Arbitrum in there. We could take a little bit more risk on this. So yeah, I'm really uncomfortable shorting. So I'm literally like not shaking, but I'm like sweating a little. It's like if you're afraid of heights, that's how I feel shorting. Just only selecting short, so it's really something I should overcome. Like Bomi is also showing strength, it's just making higher lows. It's also showing weakness. Look at the volume here. Yeah, it's sufficient for one weight. Let's just add Ethereum here to get all the weight. Short, yes, okay. Now we have one, two, three, four, 5. Cheeto, and where's Arbitrum? Here we go. Floki. Okay. Yeah, for me this is like we swept this level, we got a massive rejection, now it's a lower high. So for me, ENS is looking rather good. These wicks kind of give away what's going on. This entire level is just massive resistance. It's similar to Bitcoin going towards the 70Ks. It's very likely we're just gonna deviate low, grab some more liquidity and then retest. So to safeguard myself from not getting wrecked on a sudden outbreak, I look to place my trade window high, yeah, slightly above this wick, because if we close a 1 hour candle above this wick, it could actually break out and it could invalidate my idea of this being a lower high. As far as lows go, yeah, I think I'm just gonna put it around this level. With, like I said, I'm still very scared of shorting, so I'm just gonna put it right here. I kinda expect the daily to give in, where we won't just start grinding lower. Maybe when we could even get distribution, but I'd like to reassess around the 05 level, golden pocket level, just to see how much strength there is. Let's have a look at Arbitrum. It's also one I feel safe with. So Arbitrum is actually looking better than the Ents. I think Arbitrum could actually spike upwards. But if it shows more strength, yeah, I'm pretty darn sure we'll get a reaction to the downside somewhere here. So I'm just gonna front run it. This does not have to be very accurate. I really trust my 12-hour analysis of Arbitrum. As far as lows go, yeah, I think this one is quite alright. Just to front run the daily, because it's looking pretty bullish. Yeah, let's run Arbitrum as well. Now Floki is a little bit more speculative. Like the volume is there, we increased 18% already. Yeah, I kinda wanna get into this. So I do definitely expect these highs to get swept. So let's have a little bit more information. Floki. What's the all-time high? 23%. Alright, let's just put the trade window high halfway. The funding is actually quite nice for shorts. So that's a positive. Yeah, as far as lows go, yeah, once again it's like the 05 level that shows that has my interest. So I'm just going to slightly front run it. It's still a long way down. Yeah, so with Floki I kinda hope it just spikes up more, so we get heavy bags, and then when everybody is euphoric, shitcoins tend to just enter distribution, and we make a shitload of money. Even though it's still one weight, it's still on the API of almost 10k, so it will add up. At least the volatility will add up. Jito. So Jito is a nice example of a lot of horizontal support above. So yeah, I think on the 1 hour it's safe to say this is resistance. So let's just rid ourselves of these old lines. One more look. Yeah, this is most definitely resistance. We're just gonna front run this shit. Just above them. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna put it here. far as lows go, there's this golden pocket with an 0.5 level, but I still think we're just gonna head towards these levels, so I'm just gonna put it right here. This is Jito, yeah. Yeah, this is just my personal preference. I really like to have a tight invalidation for shorts, just because the upside is like unlimited. So there's a lot of risk involved shorting. And the final one, it's Jasmine. It's also something you will really have to learn yourself. Never ever put a short without a trade window. Especially coins like Jasmine, I think even Floki, if they tend to just spike like 20% in like 2 hours. You really want a trade window. Yeah, this one is also quite easy. We're just gonna put the high at the high of this body, because if it reverses, it shows strength, and we want to be out when it shows more strength. Yeah, let's just front run the daily. Oh, it's a bit too high. Just to safeguard our gains with shorting, because I'm uncomfortable and I'm not really used to shorting a lot, I will put a mental stop loss at, let's say, yeah, $250. So when we are down $250 on this API, I'll just sell everything. With some slippage and spread, we'll probably end up 260 in a loss, and we won't lose the 23. So that's just my mental stop. I'm just also gonna put it on the chart of Bitcoin, just so I don't forget it. Mental stop or minus 250. So yeah, if we end up being on the wrong side of where the market wants to go, we just take our loss and fight another day. It's not a big deal to just lose like some money you've made. The problem is when you stay in the trade indefinitely. With shorts, you simply cannot do that, because you will end up losing everything. Where do I put this? Yeah, right here. So yeah, I kind of want to put a alert above this level. Now, if Bitcoin decides to just create a crazy high or low here, invalidate this entire structure, the alert will just tell me, look at your shorts because you might get fucking wrecked. So this is where we could potentially get out with less damage than 250. But Bitcoin doing this would definitely invalidate my idea of the market tanking more. So yeah, it's already 30 minutes of introduction of session 16. Yeah, I'm just gonna chill. I expect some volatility because it's Monday. I'm not sure if the US has a holiday or something. Let me just check. Nah, okay. There's not like really big news this week. Next week we'll get something more significant. This week should be chill. So that's good. Yeah, let's just look at Floki. I think it's the most interesting chart right now in terms of volatility. Yeah, let's put this at ARP. Yeah, alright guys, I'll be back later when something significant happens. Alright, see you later.